Hey everyone, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Welcome back, Daisoholic. So alam niyo naman that I am a Daisoholic person. If you've been on this channel, I did a lot of videos on Daiso. It is one of my popular videos here on my channel. So the last time that I did a Daiso video was I think a year already. If I could remember, I did a foundation video, which is the liquid foundation from Daiso. If you want to check that video out, I will have the link on the description box for you all. This time, we are going to be doing another foundation video from Daiso again. It's going to be this one, the iDate Cushion Foundation from Daiso. The price on this one is 300 yen. So nowadays, Daiso has really been stepping up their game when it comes to their makeup. They already have cushion foundation, liquid foundation, and I think I saw like a pink powder from them which yung replicates yung Huda Beauty na pink loose powder. So before they don't have that one. But since yun nga, yung innovation has been stepping up or revolving, Daiso has been revolving as well. So, di ba? Ang galing. So, yun nga, we will be talking about or we'll be testing the cushion foundation from them, which is from iDate Tokyo Girls Collection. So, I got the shade number 02 light beige. So, sadly, they only have 3 colors to choose from. Light pink, light beige, and natural beige. So for those people that have a more darker complexion, I'm so sorry to tell you guys, but I think there won't be any option for you. But if you really wanted to try this one out, I think you just need to like mix it with your darker foundation. But I don't have any idea yet. Okay lang ba, hindi ba magbabago yung kanyang texture or your outcome ng yung foundation? So when it comes to the claims on their foundation, wala naman silang masyadong nilagay. It just says here that is semi-matte. So I think I like that one. Nowadays that I am already in my 40s, I feel like even though my skin type is still on the oilier side, but I don't want my skin to look really matte. It makes me look more older. So yun yung something to watch for, guys. If you are already on the mature side, make sure that your skin looks like hydrated and luminous and moisturized. So when you are already in that bracket, already in your 40s, on your mature side of the skin already, what I could suggest, it tends to lean more on the semi-matte. But if you really wanted to use matte foundations kasi hindi nyo kaya yung mga glowy foundation like that na effect, then you could still hydrate or moisturize or prepare your skin for that. Make sure that you moisturize and hydrate properly para hindi masyadong matte looking yung foundation nyo. Balik tayo sa Daiso Cushion Foundation. It says semi-matte. It's forgivable, I think. Hopefully, okay lang, hindi siya masyadong matte because nowadays I really don't want my face to be looking matte. I want it to be glowing looking. And then, what else? It is manufactured for Irato Company Limited dito sa Japan, but obviously still made in China. Ayan, so standard ingredients, I'm not gonna read it because hindi naman din natin maintindihan yung part na ito. So let's get started. So this is our starting point. I already applied my skincare, my toner, moisturizer, vitamin C, and SPF of 50. So this is our starting point. I don't have much really problems on my skin right now except on this part here because I rub it when I showered today. So yan lang, and yeah, not much problem, not much to cover. So this is how the compact looks like. It is so sleek looking, guys, I must say. Ayan, ang ganda niya. It doesn't look like Daiso or mumurahin. Although this is not 100 yen, it is 300 yen. But yeah, it looks very decent naman. It doesn't look cheap at all. So yung opening niya is just like that. Hindi siya push, unlike yung mga cushion foundation na pinupush nyo. But this one is just, yan lang, yung click type lang. Ayan. Ayan yung loob. And you have your mirror here. Mirror ba to? I don't know if this is a mirror, but it looks blurry, guys. Separate yung puff, tsaka sa mismong, cushion. Then, let's try opening it. Oh my God, kinda hard. Mali pala yung open ko nandito kasi, so it won't really lift that way. So, dito, sideways. Ugh. Ayan. Oh! Wow! It's a good thing na may seal yung yung mismong cushion dito ng foundation. Wow! Pinag-isipan. It's not cheap. Really looking type na na compact. Ayan. Alam niyo talaga kung merong gumamit na o hindi. But from the packaging, it is tightly sealed naman. So, I'm glad that it has this cover para hindi mag-touch yung product natin dito. So, let's just remove this one. So, ayan yung color niya. Ayan, this is light beige. So, let's test this out na, mga friends. Okay, so I just found out that mirror talaga to, guys. This is yung protection ng mirror. So, I'm just gonna peel it. Mahirap kasi siyang i-peel kanina, kaya akala ko hindi talaga siya, mirror. So, okay, this is so satisfying. Ayan, ang hirap naman niyang matanggal. Uy, ayaw magpatanggal. Ayan. So, update. Mirror talaga. May mirror siya. That's a plus. So, I'm just gonna use the applicator included in the foundation. So, let's try. Let's do our first push. Ooh, kinda excited. Ayan, yung kinuha ko. So, let's try putting it on our face. I have my mirror here. Kinda excited. So, I have like some pimple marks here from my previous pimples. So let's get started. So color wise, I think light beige is just perfect for me, kasi if yung pink beige yung kinuha ko, maybe it would look really pinky and light on me and ghostly. So this is just perfect. So isang beses lang natin dinip yung product dito sa ating compact, and eto yung kanyang resulta. Oh my God, pretty good. Does it look white? But on this side, it has covered well my blemishes, I find. Ayan, ayan. Tapos lagyan na din natin dito sa ating eyelid area. Ayan, so I'm gonna extend this, yung first na kinuha natin, dito sa ating forehead. Ayan. Why did I apply here? Sana hindi ko siya in-apply dito para we have a comparison, no? So, first impression this, definitely semi-matte kasi hindi siya masyadong matte looking, and then hindi din siya glossy looking. So, I'm just gonna remove this quickly here kasi para ma-compare natin. So, ayan, dito I applied the cushion foundation on the right side of my face, and here I did not. Definitely, it covered my problems here on this, yung mga chismis dito sa aking mukha. Looks pretty good. This is without the foundation, and this is with the foundation. And, so I just basically applied this, and then when I touch my face, so yan, nagdent yung aking finger. I don't know if you could tell from the video, but it did. So, hindi pa siya masyadong, nag-settle down or nag-dried up. So, I'm just gonna push it like this. I did not redip my applicator on the compact. I just blend it more. But so far, so good. Yan, oh. Oh my God. Looks pretty good, I must say. So, on this side, I'm gonna try using my sponge. This one, I wet this one. So, the applicator, hindi siya basa, but this one is basa. So, I'm gonna try dipping it. And let's see if, like, mag-iiba yung finish ba ng foundation. So, here we go! Oh. Oh my God! Oh. Looks good still. Neto. Parang hindi man nag-iba yung, hindi. Ayan, oh. Ooh, I really like the cold feeling nito. Kasi binasa ko yung aking sponge. Yung finish dito is just a hair difference lang talaga. Dito has much more coverage, pero a hair difference lang talaga. But I like the finish here also kasi parang mas glowy. This is more matte and this is a little glowy. If you are the person who wants like medyo glowy dito, gamitin nyo yung yung sponge na wet. Wow! So I'm just gonna try blending the other side using my wet sponge. Ayan. Para it would look more natural. Then I'm gonna bring this one too on the neck para hindi naman parang floating head yung pagmumukha natin. Oh my god, it looks so good. And mind you, I only dip once on this side and on this side. So two. One dip and one dip. And it already covered the entire face of my face. I don't think I need to like, you know, reapply on this area. Kasi I really don't want a full coverage on my foundation. Kasi yun nga, I'm already in my 40s. Lalong magmumukhang old yung skin nyo if you apply a lot of foundation. So, nowadays, I really typically don't use foundation. I just apply a little concealer here on the under eye area and that's it. And a light dusting of powder. Yun na lang talaga. Para hindi magiging looking oldies yung skin nyo. Para glowing pa din siya. So this is how my skin looks like after the application. Oh my god. I think I like it. What do you think? Ang ganda. So magpapan tayo guys. Pan. Let's pan me. Pan. Okay. Pretty decent for 300 yen. Ayan oh. So now I'm just gonna quickly finish my entire face and I will be back. So hey, I'm back. So I just finished the rest of the face. Yeah. Obviously, and also dried my hair quickly. I did not flat iron it. I just roughly hair dry it because I don't have time anymore. And I just quickly set my face, guys. Although I feel like the foundation has dried after I applied it on my face. But since I have an oily skin, I need to set it in order for it to last longer. So I just quickly set it with using my Sisan face powder. This one, and then I'm just gonna share quickly what I did to my lips because I really love the way my lipstick is looking right now. So I used my lip liner from Daiso and then together with this one, but before I applied this, I moisturized my face using the gold one because I don't have with me my lip balm, so why not use this one? So these are the lip combos that I did. Yeah, it looks so amazing. I just wanted to share this because it turns out to be really looking good on the lips and it's just Daiso. So now let's try to test this foundation out. It is currently 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We are starting late because I was not able to wake up really early today. It's cold. It's almost winter. It's the end of November right now, so it's kind of cold. I'm so sorry though that we will not be able to test this in the summer, like me sweating and all. But maybe in the future, or I will just update you all how this works in the summertime. So as you can see, skin looks pretty good. I really like the finish of this one. Yeah, from the initial application, looks pretty good to me. Hopefully this will last. We will be going to try this for at least 8 hours because since it is already 2 p.m. and I'm gonna wear this up to 10 p.m. hopefully. Yeah, let's take a quick look on my skin now. Looks pretty damn amazing for 300 yen. So let's now put it into a test. I will be back and check on you on later, like mga around 5 in the afternoon. So see you in a while. So I'm outside Daiso. I'm just gonna check my face. It is already 5 p.m. in the afternoon and it's already dark, guys. Hopefully I could still have kita nyo yung aking face while checking. It's been 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 p.m. So this is how my face is looking like. Oh, looking pretty good. Hopefully makikita nyo, but foundation is really looking good at this point. Oh, so exciting, di ba? So, sorry talaga na madilim na kasi 5 p.m. and it's the winter na kaya, or autumn, kaya madilim na yung 5 p.m. So, this is our 5 p.m. check after like 3 hours of the foundation. Yeah, looking pretty good. Hi, I'm back. Let's wrap this video up. It is already 10 p.m. I need to finish this one kasi may work pa ako bukas. So, let's do a final check on our face. I did not blot or apply any powder on my face. Since in-apply natin yung cushion foundation ng Daiso, yun lang. Yun lang talaga. After that, nothing. At this time of the year, I really don't need much power of the powder since it's cold outside. It is like 11 degrees Celsius, especially during nung pahapon na yung papuntang 4 p.m. tsaka 5. Medyo malamig na talaga siya. So I did not sweat, obviously, kasi malamig na. Move a little closer our face sa camera para makita natin. I need a mirror. So dito ako sa mirror mag-check. Oh. By the way, I applied pala, anong tawag nito? Highlighter from Vice Cosmetic. That's why may mga a little shiny here. So, I'm gonna touch my face if it feels greasy. So, dito usually banda, I feel greasy. Kasi, dito, dyan, that is my usual spot na greasy ako. It feels greasy. Ayan. Tapos, medyo na din, natanggal konti dito sa aking nose. Yan, nakikita nyo, medyo red na siya dyan. It's because I wipe my nose kanina kasi tumutulo ng aking sip-on. And, oh yeah, this looks good here. Covered pa rin yung blemish ko, yung parang mga dark spots ko dito from pimple marks. And then, dito din, hindi pa din masyadong halata yung aking pimple marks. Did it cake? Oh, parang walang caking na nangyari. Especially dito, eto talaga yung problem areas ko na guys. Now that I am already in my 40s, dito nagki-crease. I did not apply any concealer pala. Yun lang yung ginawa natin concealer. So far, no creasing under the eye. Wow, amazing. Dito naman, looks shiny. Yeah, on the yung T-zone area nga, it looks shiny, but overall, it looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, looks pretty good for me, considering it's only 300 yen and it's from Daiso. Yung pores natin dito, hindi naman din mahalata sa nose, di ba? Parang na-conceal din niya yung konti yung ating pores dyan. Oh, by the way, dito sa dito, this is the usual part na nagkikik. Wala. Oh my God, la. Amazing. Amazing yan. So now let's do the final verdict of this cushion foundation from Daiso, which specifically from iDate, yung line na iDate from Daiso. Really performing so well on my skin. As you can see here, my skin looks really good considering 300 yen lang. So, let's order this up yung mga observation ko sa cushion foundation. First of all, from application, it looks pretty good from the initial application, yung beginning. Nakakover niya ang aking mga blemishes. Although, I don't have a lot of problems to cover, but still, yung mga itim-itim na mga breakout dark spots from previous pimples, so na-cover na yan. The color light beige is perfect for my skin tone, guys. Next is, hindi siya nag-cake dito sa aking under eye, which is usually my problem area. And also on the smile line as well, no caking happening. And then, it did not oil up so much in my face. Because most of the foundations that I've tried, especially yung mga cheaper ones, once nag-blend sila sa oil, parang medyo nagpapangit na yung appearance niya sa skin. But on this one, it did not. Next is, it's very comfortable to the face. I feel like I'm not wearing any foundation. Although, when I touch my face with my hand, medyo nafe-feel ko yung oiliness, but not that really much. Overall, my skin still looks pretty healthy and it looks like I'm not wearing foundation. Sa claim naman niya na semi-matte, definitely semi-matte kasi it doesn't look dry and very matte and it doesn't look glossy as well. So, yan, tama yung claim niya na semi-matte. I think the only downside, I guess, is that they only have 3 shades available. Yun lang siguro. But other than that, ang ganda ng lapat sa face ng Cushion Foundation na to. I wasn't expecting Daiso to be performing this well. Daiso has really stepped up its game towards their makeup. So I think it's pretty obvious that I've liked this foundation from Daiso, and definitely I highly recommend getting this one, trying this one. And there is also one thing to consider if this will break me out. So for the update on whether this would break me out, just check sa description box. Yeah, I'm just gonna write it on the description box whether like how many times that I've used this, if this will break me out. So better check on that, okay? So that's going to be our review or first impression about the Daiso iDate Cushion Foundation, and hopefully that this video was helpful to you all. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or if you already tried this foundation, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. So I think this is a wrap, and thank you always for tuning in, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you always for tuning in, mga friends, and hopefully I will see you all on the next one. Bye!